Welcome back. It's been a while, been gone, but we got a little project here we got to work on. What's going on, guys? We got a customer's boat here. We got this thing ready to go back in the water because it's almost that time. Now, I don't know the first thing about an outboard motor, except it's two-stroke, it's got spark plugs, and it runs. Alright, you guys hold tight. I gotta go get some tools. Alright, we need a 10mm socket here. And one bolt missing out of this cover that was laying down inside the engine box here. So we'll put that back in place where it belongs. I don't know if that would have created a leak and caused some issue with the running. Possibly, I guess. Oh, you know what? Stick one of you back up in here. Easy, kill it. Come on, give me the... No! Oh, we're missing the washer off of that one, are we? It shouldn't be too hard to find one of those. Oh, yeah, look at there. Some bugs and fuel. Nice. We can get rid of the bugs. I'm gonna wipe that out of there. And fuel. So, we got this opened up. Clean all of this old nasty mess out of here a little bit. Get these things cleaned up some. Get the rest of the motors cleaned up some. And should be getting some new plugs for it here later on. And a couple of other small odds and ends for it. But I'm probably going to have to move it over here in a second and see if we can get the water hooked up to it so we can fire it off and let it run. See what's going on with it. We had it started up earlier, and it seemed like when you dropped it down into engage the prop that it wanted to bog down really bad. Even in neutral it didn't have the throttle response like I felt like it should have, but like I said, I don't really know a whole lot about outboard motors. So, it's a learning experience for me, kinda, sorta, at the moment. And we just have to do a little research and figure out what we got going on. No problem. Alright, that's got the intake cleaned out pretty good. Aha! Problem numero uno. Right there. That's going to cause some major issues. Possibly all the major issues we've been having. So that guy is supposed to be in there. Alright, so the problem we were having with the motor running bad earlier was this linkage rod back in here that connects the upper and lower butterflies to the center main butterfly. That linkage rod was not connected. So we were only accelerating 2 cylinders instead of 6. Okay. Now, that's going to be... Oh, well, that should make a heck of a difference. That should make one heck of a difference. Yeah, buddy. That makes me want to put it all back together right now and go hook it up to the water hose at this moment. And I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to wipe this out a little bit better first. We're going to hang this guy up here real quick with one bolt. All right. Now we got to try and get these underneath of this motor. This is going to be interesting, to say the least, because my hands ain't that small. Alright. Oh, I didn't hit pause on that thing either. Up. Better delete that last couple of minutes there, huh? Alright, did you get the screw started while I was gone? No? What are y'all waiting on? Jiminy Jeebus. Y'all supposed to have this in there already. I swear. Can't trust you for nothing. Alright. Alright, so that screw was just laying in the bottom of the engine cover when we took the engine cover off earlier. It was not where it was supposed to be. So now it's in, and we get all the rest of them in. And then we're going to move the boat over, put the clamshell on, hook up the water hose, and start it up and see if it runs any different. Let's try this again, huh? is I'm going to keep working on this. I'm going to try and get this video uploaded so you guys have got something on the channel, because I haven't put anything up in a while. And we had to put that switch in there for the motor tilt dashboard. See if we can get some of the sparkle and shine back into that. And I've got to check over the wiring on the trailer. We're going to try and get this thing in the water by next weekend, if possible. Which I don't see any reason it wouldn't be possible. But we're definitely going to try and put this in the water next weekend. So I'm going to try and have some more content on it. Maybe something else through the week. I'm not sure. But definitely next weekend we'll have some more up. For sure. Something. Even if it's bad. Because it can't be any worse than some of the other stuff that's already on my channel. So we're going to keep at it. I'm going to see what I can do about getting this to you guys. And we'll see you next time. Y'all be good.